everyone, it's Sarah, and today I actually received my FabFitFun box early. It was supposed to arrive after the holiday. It was supposed to arrive Tuesday. Actually, I have at least 2 boxes coming. I had a number of add-ons, and I know I look a hot mess. I know I look a fright because I was actually working on the beauty room today, which is going to be my makeup studio slash beauty room, filming room, all that stuff. But in the middle of all that work, the first box arrived, and I posted on the FabFitFun board, and I know some of you ladies are still waiting for your tracking numbers and are really anxious. So I decided I would do this for you and go ahead, and I have not opened anything yet. This is still sealed. I was super surprised. Like I said, my tracking number said I was due to receive it on Tuesday after the holiday, and something a little curious. Most of the things that I ordered in add-ons, I was due to get multiple of, and my first tracking said everything that was in there said that I was getting one of the things. So we'll see how this comes out. Okay. First thing I'm seeing, the Ahava. These are minis of the hand cream. I still have, and this is awesome stuff. I love this stuff. I ordered more, and I use this stuff constantly. Love it. I'm kind of just, I love it so much. So I ordered this so I'd have it for travel, just the smaller size. I think it's the same, not sure, but as a brand, I think they're really good. So, and this stuff is not cheap. So I see my Avena living in the desert, the heat. This is just nice to have. Give your face a spritz. I mean, it's just something nice to have. And this was pretty discounted, maybe $5. And I know some people, okay, $5 for a misting bottle of water. It's summer. It's just nice to have. Okay, this is my coffee scrub. I have not tried this before. Let's give it a sniff. I've heard good things about this. I know some people. I'm not smelling coffee, but maybe it kind of, maybe there's a coffee scent to it. Oh, Coffee Crush exfoliating peeling gel. I'll have to read up on that, exactly what the deal is with that, but I have heard good things about this one, so looking forward to trying that out. Living Proof, no frizz, nourishing styling cream. This is the kind of natural state of my hair if I don't really do much to it after I wash it, so I can use something like this. And I can see I have two boxes coming. Now, one is my customized box and one is not, so I'm curious to see which is which. What is this? This is my eyelash travel mug. Now, I thought this was supposed to be pink, but it's still cute. It's still very cute, right? I think you can do hot or cold beverages in this. It's actually a good size. I'm happy. I was afraid it would wind up, I mean, it seems like this is the right size, but I was kind of worried that it might be smaller, if you know what I mean. Like, it seemed like this is the size it should be, but sometimes you kind of picture how big something should be, and then it winds up being smaller, if that makes sense. Okay, What do we have here? The First Aid all natural homeopathic. This just seemed like a good thing to have for the first aid kits. There were a couple of these different varieties. I don't know. Okay, yes. I also got the dry skin one. They just seemed like good things to kind of have. What else? Okay, I'm gonna have to get that out. Okay, this Poo-Pourri, before you go. Having boys around, just getting them to use this, that's not going to be a bad thing. That's going to be a good thing. Linen spray. This just came in one of the bundles. I think these 3 came together. You know, I don't know for sure. I don't necessarily think this is something that I would have just gotten on its own. I might put this in like a, you know, it's sealed. What is the scent on this? I don't know what the scent is. Taikawa Passage. Oh, Tenkawa Passage. I don't know what the scent is. Really. Yeah, see, it's telling me 111 of the different things, and I had multiple of a lot of different things, so I guess. Oh, this is the Ahava moisturizer. I really needed moisturizer, so this worked out well for me. Holding off on getting moisturizer. This I was really looking forward to trying too. The Tula probiotic skincare cleansing oil. This is something else I needed. I was running super low on a lot of things like this, and I've been just kind of like making do. Like moisturizer and like kind of makeup removing type things. Here's another one, Moisture Repair Pressed Serum. Exceptional hydration for dry and stressed out skin. What is this? Overnight hydrating mask. Pretty sure I just got one of these. Lorac Pro Blurring Translucent Pressed Powder. Something for my Pro Kit. These I believe are I got for my Pro Kit as well. Facial oils. The 90291 base oils. Something you can use as sort of a face prepping before you do foundation and whatnot. And what do we have here? The Wish Body Butter, and I hope I like these. Bath and Body Gel. I thought this was also for bubble bath. I guess you could use it as bubble bath. I think that's kind of why I got it. It smells good. I hope I like this, because I do need I did need more like body wash, bubble bath, that kind of thing. And then lotion, body butter. So yay! Okay. I'm proud of myself because I knew this was coming, and I did really let my products kind of start to really get low. Best in Faux, the Tarte Faux Lashes, except for mascara. I did buy the Lorac in the last sale, I bought the Lorac mascara that I love that has the primer in there. Love, love, love that. It's going to be hard for this to compete, but this was really discounted, and I've never tried one of the mascaras that have the fibers before, and I really like Tarte products quite a bit, and I thought, you know, I'm going to give it a shot. It might be something nice to have in my professional kit. I don't know. But we'll see. Okay, we are getting very, very close to the FabFitFun box. I have one more thing. This is my second one of these. I actually really like this. I do sometimes, I don't have it in my hair right now, but I do sometimes just use this after I wash my hair. I wash my hair at night, and I will put just my usual kind of defrizzer type stuff, and then kind of put this in the roots a little, and then kind of put this through my hair a bit to kind of texturize it a little, and kind of, I don't know, hold the curl, give it a nice beachy wave. And I thought maybe this might be good for my boys too. Okay, let's see. I think that's everything besides the box. Looks very tropical. Let's see, is it taped? Or is it just gonna come open for me? Where does it open? No, of course it's taped. So we have the magazine, but I don't know. I just want to jump in here. Something else, but maybe we'll look at that later. Okay. So this is the Tarte Pro To Go eyeshadow palette. I am going to get a little closer. Oh no! I'm losing stuff. Okay, Tarte's Pro To Go eyeshadow palette, and now it's looking all dark. Oh, I need more light. Oh no. Sorry, I should have brought in another light for you. We have the right here, the Orlando Pita Play hair protectant spray right here. The Brighten Up Enzyme Face Rejuvenator Exfoliating Cleanser, enriched with papaya, microcrystals, and aloe. Of course, the towel, and I think this is not the box that I customized, because the box that I customized, I picked the other design. So I am excited about that towel. I think it'll be nice as long as it works. This is the Foreo facial thingy. I got blue, and I'm thinking I might be, I don't know, doing something else with this. I don't know that I'm going to be using this. That might be going to somebody else. Sex Kitten. This is Tarte Sex Kitten Liner. Kula Classic Face Sunscreen. That looks so dark. I hope it's not as dark as it's looking to me. This is the Body Caviar. And then Pier 1 Imports. Oh, is this like a trivet or something? like a something. Let's look in the book. Gotta look in the book. Okay. Marble and gold, name more iconic duo. Marble ring dish. It's a ring dish. Okay. All right. So that looks like what we've got. Oh, and then this straw saves marine life. Is it? Okay. And then okay. That's one of their organizations. Looks like, and I think that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone has a wonderful Memorial Day holiday, and I just wanted to ask everyone to please be careful out there, and just make sure that if you are going to be out drinking and having a good time, that you do plan ahead and plan to have a designated driver or some sort of ride, and look out for one another and just be safe. And I will see you in my next video. I will be doing another unboxing for FabFitFun probably on Tuesday, since this box came early. I have my trunk club that's for Vegas coming up. It's actually sitting right here, and a couple other little boxes, my Splendies box and my Allure box just right there waiting. So have a wonderful weekend. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell. Have a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much for watching.